light coat of white for his little body and his arms. There's his other arm and his leg and his little head and that part of his ears. You don't want to do the whole ear white because his ear is pink inside. And you do his little hands and his little feet. And don't forget his curly tail. Now, I know no mouse alive has a tail that long, but it looks cute. Okay, then what you want to do is lightly blend this. And this is where you can bring in this. And then you want to blend this little nose. Then you want to go back and put in the details. Like that. His eyes. Come down around his little fat body. There you go. His legs. His cute little legs and his little feet. Yeah, his little feet. And then don't forget his tail. Now, I'm gonna make him whiter. Blend that in. And there he is. That's just a rough one.